In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve in Jira. If you've ever needed to sign off on a request, approve a workflow step, or move an issue forward, Jira makes that process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. The key is understanding where approvals appear and how they may vary depending on how your team's workflow is configured. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top navigation menu, click on Projects, and then open the project where the issue is waiting for approval. This is important because approvals are tied to specific issues inside specific project workflows, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct space before doing anything else. Once you're inside the project, locate the ticket that needs your approval. You can either scroll through the board or queue, or use the search bar if that's faster. When you find the correct issue, click the issue key or title to open the full issue details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may open in a side panel or as a full issue view. Now look near the top section of the issue details. If the workflow includes an approval step assigned to you, you should see a section labeled Approval Required. This area usually appears prominently, so it's easy to spot, and it may also show other approvers involved in the process. If you don't see this section, it often means either the approval is not assigned to you or your team is using a different workflow method. If the Approval Required section is visible, move to the action buttons in that area and click Approve. This records your approval directly in the issue workflow, which is much better than leaving a comment because it creates a proper tracked sign-off. After you click it, you should see the issue update to reflect that your approval has been registered. In some Jira setups, especially customized workflows, you may not see a dedicated approval banner. In that case, use the issue status drop-down near the top of the ticket. Click the current status, review the available transition options, and select a status such as approved or ready for release, depending on how your team has named that step. This serves as the approval action in workflows built around status transitions. Finally, scroll down to the activity or comment section if you want to leave a short note explaining your sign-off. Keep it clear and concise so the audit trail stays easy to read. A brief confirmation is usually enough, and that's how to approve in Jira quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.